Welcome to our daily at-home workout. We are gonna do a proper HIIT workout today. 45 seconds of activity, 15 seconds of rest. Let's start getting warmed up. Just a nice little step jack. We've done this one lots. It's a beauty exercise to get the body warm, feeling good. Modify each round as best for you. Maybe you do 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. Perfectly fine, whatever suits you. I'm gonna try to go 45 seconds of each activity, 15 seconds of dynamic rest, just meaning moving throughout the entire workout. We're gonna build strength, flexibility, balance, mobility. It's all gonna be here today. Just get a little twist in. Short and sweet, but we are gonna feel amazing. We gotta do some hard workouts once in a while. Push ourselves, get out of our comfort zone. If you don't have a chair nearby, you may need it for a couple exercises. I'm gonna go to the floor, but if you'd like to use the chair, by all means, just move laterally a bit. And we're gonna get started. Let's go. Squat, calf raise. As deep as you can go. We're building strength in the legs. Get a nice range of motion as we come up on our tippy toes. Squat and up. Find a nice flow. And again, just go as long as you can. We're building balance with this exercise as well. Getting up on our tippy toes. That great calf strength. Gonna help us get up the stairs because we're the kind of people who always take the stairs. Rest. We're gonna do push-ups next. So this is a dynamic rest. You can do your push-ups from here or the floor. 45 seconds, as many as you can do, and go. I'm not as concerned with counting as I am with just doing them correct to the best of my ability. Build great upper body strength, shoulders, chest. So good for our core also here. Just keep going. If you have to stop and just hold a plank for a bit, terrific. Still building great core stability doing that. Couple more if you can. Rest. Active rest. We're gonna do some step back lunges next. The chair could be useful to help with balance. We're building balance as well. Here we go. Step back and just go. Find the movement that works best for you. If you can come all the way down with the knee, terrific. If not, find your edge. And as we go, maybe you can go a little bit beyond. It's amazing what we can get done in 10 minutes. Longer workouts can be great, and we should do them. Shorter in time, 10 minutes can do wonders. One more. Move. Stay active. We're gonna work the core next. You ready? So cross body. Try to get the elbow to the knee. Drive that knee up. Really engage your core. Yeah. Bring all your attention, all your focus right here, right now. Don't be thinking about the next thing. Getting done with this. No. Be present. I think I can. I think I can. Build great core stability. Can bend over, tie our shoes, and rest. Just do the little things in our day with more ease and a little stronger. Okay, side step squat coming up. So step, squat, step. As deep as you can go. Just find what's best for you. Simple body exercises like a squat can do so much for us. We want good leg strength. These are our pump. Help us to balance, avoid falls. Just to feel strong. One more. Whew, nice. We're gonna come active rest. We're gonna come to the ground again or use your chair. We're gonna do plank shoulder taps. Whatever's best for you. I'm coming to the ground. So it's just in this position and just broaden your stance with your feet so you have a wider base and just tap your shoulders. Try to be as still as you can and engage the core. Build an upper body strength and core stability. Try to keep your butt down. Come on, this one's tricky for sure. You got this. I think I can. Don't forget to laugh. Come on, almost there. And rest. Beauty. This is good today, eh? Only 3 more exercises. You might want your chair for balance here if you need it. Just a side leg raise. So build mobility in the hips, strengthen our legs, but clearly work on our balance as well. Arms can come out if you like. Prayer posture. There's just something peaceful about this. You ever heard somebody, other side, forgive me. Somebody starts yelling at you or being in a difficult situation, taking on this posture. It's hard to be angry. Come on. Brilliant. One last one up there. Hold it. Oh, yeah. Okay, we're going to do something fun and tricky. I'm getting my chair out of the way. You can hit the wall. We're going to do a wall sit. Try it for 45 seconds. Come on. Get your back flat. 90 degrees with the legs if you can. Hands up. Maybe prayer. By 45 seconds, you'll be praying to be over. Arms can come up as well if you like. Head forward and just be. I think I can. Legs will start to tremble. You can do more. You absolutely can. The mind will tell you to quit. Don't listen to that. You are strong. 10 more seconds. Come on. I am strong. I am strong. Almost. And done. Maybe a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Shake that out. Shake that out. One more exercise. We're going to sprint. We have a great member of our community saying we never sprint when we get older. Let's do it. 45 seconds. Quiet feet. Quiet feet. Really pump the arms and move your feet as fast as you can. This is the last exercise. Let's get the heart rate up. Gonna feel so good after this. Come on. Don't quit. I think I can. Life is beautiful. Movement is medicine. Come on. We did it. Notice the breath. We're gonna finish today with a little walking meditation. So just move real deliberately. Each step with real intention. Pay attention to your breathing. And notice how when you really consciously breathe, how much more quickly you recover. One breath is always accessible. It's that difference between reacting and responding. Just notice. Absorb everything you've just done. That is a workout to be proud of. Thank you. Well done. Continue showing up. We are building incredible consistency and discipline by showing up day in and day out, along with incredible strength, mobility, balance, and so much more. I appreciate you. I will see you soon. Goodbye.